Hi everyone, and welcome to Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today we're looking up, literally, why is the sky blue? It's one of those everyday things we rarely question. But once you do, the science behind it is absolutely fascinating. Let's start with the basics. Sunlight may look white, but it's actually a mix of all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color has a different wavelength. Red light has the longest waves, and blue and violet have the shortest. When sunlight reaches Earth, it has to pass through our atmosphere, which is full of tiny particles: nitrogen, oxygen, and dust. As light hits these particles, something interesting happens. It scatters. But not all colors scatter equally. This is where Rayleigh scattering comes in. It's a scientific principle that tells us shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, scatter much more than longer ones like red or orange. So, why don't we see a violet sky? Well, even though violet light scatters even more than blue, our eyes aren't very sensitive to violet. Plus, some of that violet light is absorbed by the upper atmosphere. So what we mostly see is scattered blue light coming at us from every direction. That's why, when we look up on a clear day, the sky looks blue. But here's the twist. During sunrise and sunset, the sun is low on the horizon. Its light travels a much longer path through the atmosphere. By the time it reaches your eyes, most of the blue and violet light has already been scattered away. What's left are the longer wavelengths, reds and oranges. And that's why we get those amazing fiery skies in the morning and evening. Here's a quick summary. Sunlight contains all colors. Shorter wavelengths, blue-violet, scatter more than longer ones. Our eyes see more blue than violet, so the sky appears blue. At sunrise and sunset, blue light gets scattered away, and we see red and orange. Now, is the sky blue everywhere? On Earth, yes, mostly. But on other planets, the story changes. On Mars, for example, the thin, dusty atmosphere scatters light differently, giving the sky a pinkish-orange hue. So our blue sky is part of what makes Earth so uniquely beautiful. So the next time you look up at the bright blue sky, you'll know it's not just empty space, it's physics in action. That's it for today's episode of Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone who's ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? Until next time, stay curious.